going on, guys? So today might be the day to install the EXEDY. Kind of excited. Tico still has a few more things to do on his car, so hopefully when I get there we can start on it. I'm really hoping we can actually do this. Yeah, so let's see what happens. My car's in the garage. You know what that means? It's twin discs time. Took Tico's car out. This car is running pretty good. Jack's gonna tune it soon. So start working on this thing, and you guys will see what happens. So basically, what I'm doing right now, I'm taking off the front upper intercooler piping, the intake, a few more pipes, the front bumper, and then we're gonna work on the motor mounts. And then we're going to do everything from basically under the car. So, see how it goes. Bumper's off. Take this, and then we can jack it up. Alright, now we got to take subframe, axle. We'll have to take the strut off. We can start doing that. Transmission mount. Engine hoist the motor.
Oh, this is what I need to take off. Here, this bolt.
Yeah.
These two bolts.
Yep.
Has to come off, and that way we can take the axles out. And Dan is gonna be here. Fucking balls piss me off. And that one.
They've been taken off before, so it's fine.
These ones?
Yeah.
For the training?
Yeah.
Oh, that was one.
That's not it.
Yeah, we have to.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
Training fluid. Got the axles off, both the axles. Next is to do the transfer case, and then the bolts from the transmission. And basically the clutch will come right out. But that's if the drivetrain doesn't give us a fucking hassle. Got back from HP Logic. They were dynoing the Viper, making power. Huge thanks to Roberto from HP Logic for getting us a slide hammer. Well, it's actually over. Where is it? Are you holding it? Oh, right here. Slide hammer. So that's gonna come in handy. So it's time to take the tranny out.
You make So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
It's 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm gonna finish the clutch today. Super tired. So let's see how this works. Hopefully we'll be done by the afternoon and I can drive my car home. If not, I'm gonna need another ride home. And these bolts, dumb bobby pin for the transmission cables are out. Others ones over here. This one back here is out. Loosen these up. Almost there. Time to take the clutch out. Just take the bolt out, go for your different.
We can do that actually. Thank you. Even a blind squirrel can find a nut sometimes.
Huh?
Even a blind squirrel can find a nut sometimes. There we go. Keep coming down.
Yeah.
Coming down?
Yep.
Hold on. There we go. Slow down. Go up. Go up like crazy, brother. You know I'm holding it myself now, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. Okay. Come down very slowly. Hold on. Yeah, go. Slowly, slowly.
Yep.
That was fast as fuck. It scared the shit out of me. Down more, all the way.
Keep going.
Go. More. Just a little bit more. More. Good. Stop right there.
Tranny's out.
Randy's out. In the floor.
Look at that.
You're
Did it.
banging here.
Looks pretty bad to me.
I'm gonna tell you, this clutch doesn't hold that power. That is a problem. Clutch is okay.
How burnt it is, dude. Look at the flywheel.
Yeah, I know.
Flywheel's gone.
But I'm gonna tell you, flywheel is good actually.
It is?
Yeah, but I'm gonna tell you, you see this clips?
Uh-huh.
When this gets flush,
Uh-huh.
that's when the disc is not good. See, none of them is flush. Almost. I mean, it was okay. Pretty close to change. Yeah, take that crap out.
Tico, what do you have to do? You gotta bless all the beer.
The modified beer.
You gotta bless it.
Hopefully works. Hey Roberto, nice job torquing shit. Wow. Send that to him.
Let's do it.
Go back in. Go back in.
So, ran into a problem. This one bolt does not want to come off. So Tico went to the store to go get one of those sockets that's made for these kind of fucking messed up bolts. I guess it was torqued wrong, so wasting time. You got dirt on your face.
It's normal. I'm used to it. Corn is fucked.
Car's fucked up.
You took a picture of that, how it was, right?
Yeah, dude.
That's painted good.
Lose torque.
And momentum. Ah, who cares? You'll be okay.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Tell him that I'm gonna fuck with him the rest of my fucking life.
Took up an hour. One.
Motherfucker.
Why are you putting Loctite on there?
Because I'm afraid of you to cut in your penis because that shit will fly to you. I got a couple friends that lose their legs, believe it or not. Put that in the video. Whatever video you're gonna make, put it there. Where people create conscience.
Puerto Ricans, dude.
Yeah, my friend Pilon.
Pilon?
Pilon, yeah, that motherfucker. Aspirated Mazdas. You ever see someone put in like a 500 shot of nitrous in a car?
No.
Talk to that motherfucker.
Do you have no legs anymore?
He actually, a flywheel flew, hit the ground, back up, and fuck him up. That's my boy. Teach me a lot, I can tell you that. I'm gonna need a favor. Show me what you recorded earlier.
It went around it. It went on the inside of it, did it not?
Where's the box?
That looks nice. Bolts? Yeah, over here. You can hold it up there while you... grease. Alright. Welcome to Florida. It was literally sunny like 20 seconds ago. I walked inside to grab a beer and fucking Hurricane Katrina out here. Transmission's in. Transfer case is almost in. So gotta put the intake back on, and then the axles, where the fuck they are, there. And put some fluid in it. That's about it. Oh, and the frame. Time to put the gear oil in. I think 4. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
It's like, looks like Pepto Dismal. My Lanta. Clutch is done. Pretty sure we broke a fucking record, honestly. We did it in basically a day and a half, not even. Yesterday we didn't work on it for that long. We did like 3 hours. Today we started at 10 o'clock and we finished at 9:30. We would have been done quicker, but one of the pressure plate bolts was stripped and we weren't able to get it off, so we had to get that one socket that you hammer on and then twists it off. So that took up like an hour and a half, honestly. So we need to go to Advanced Auto Parts and get that part. But car drives smooth. The clutch is butter. It's so easy to push down. Right now I'm just gonna brake in the car and then gonna dyno it, or brake in the car by the Cyvex, then dyno it. So hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys learned something, because I definitely did. If you guys are thinking about doing a clutch on your Evo, if you have an Evo, don't hit me up because I mean I have a few pointers. So other than that, Tico helped a lot. Big thanks to Tico, he's the man. So you guys already know what to do. Just listen to Pico in the next clip. See ya. I don't know how to end. I don't know how to do an outro. You want to do it for me?
If you guys like this video, give it a subscribe. If you got to give it a like, give it a like. If you like cheesecake, give it a cheesecake. If you want to give it a strawberry, give it a strawberry. Send them everything in mail, because everything is an illusion of vague perception, a temporary construct of feeble human intellect trying desperately to justify an existence that's without meaning or purpose. Like, comment, subscribe, youtube.com/Joey Serrano.